Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. You guys are gonna be shook. Okay, this is not clickbait, don't worry. I bought all three of the Jeffree Star mystery boxes, the $160 one, the $75 one, and the $40. I don't have those yet, but you guys, the first images are already out there of what we're getting, and oh my god. It's literally not like any mystery box before. It's insane. I cannot wait to show you these images that I found. And oh my god, I'm so excited. I want my box like right now, okay. So yeah, I'm gonna share with you the images. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Look out for my unboxing. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway in my unboxing, and in my unboxing video that's gonna come later in the week when I get my box. So yeah, look out for the giveaway. And oh god, I'm like out of breath because I'm so excited, and you guys are like, shut up, show us. But yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And yeah, let's go ahead and show you guys what's coming in the boxes. Okay, let's go. Okay, you guys, so the first image I want to show you is what the mystery liquid lip shade, Soul Sucker, remember that one? That one I figured would be black, which it is. It's like a black, and it looks like gold reflex of glitter in it. Something not for everyone, but again, this is a Halloween mystery box, so that's probably what you would expect to come out of a Halloween mystery box, am I right? So this is what it looks like. It's definitely, you know, 'tis the season to be spooky, and I mean, Soul Sucker, it kind of goes along with the name, so I will definitely be wearing this. And then the other one, I forgot what the name was, and I don't see it on here, and I'm too excited to go look up what that one is. But the other mystery liquid lip, it looks kind of like a metallic maybe, and it's purple. It's purple. I love purple. It's my favorite color. I'm excited. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna have multiple, so just know that these are gonna be in the giveaway coming up when I have my boxes and I'm unboxing them. So yeah, this is so pretty. I hope this is like the poinsettia metallic because I really like that one, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait. And then of course, everyone already knows that the Supreme and the Deluxe, or the Premium, the $75 and the $160 box is going to have a mirror, which you guys already know, and it's this orange mirror right here. This is the mirror that's going to come in the two most expensive boxes, which I'm here for because I've been always wanting a mirror that's not like a palette for when I do eyeshadow looks on here, and I'm so excited. And it's orange, and it's so pretty, and it's spooky. It's Halloween, and I'm just excited. Oh, but these, you just get ready. So the next item, and this is the $160 box, by the way. I mean, I don't really get this as much because not everyone has this, but he put in one of his vinyls, his vinyl, like, you know what a vinyl is, the like music disc that's what it is. This person got the vinyl Prom Night, which, I mean, honestly, I think I'm just gonna hang that up as decor because it's cute and it's star-shaped. So excited for that. And then they gave us another straw, so you're gonna get a metal pink straw. Oh, you know what? You know how people were complaining last time that the straw said with a brush cleaner? I see a brush cleaner at the butt of the straw, so we're gonna have brush cleaners this time, so that's really good. Okay, you guys, there's an eyeshadow palette coming in the box. I kind of figured that this, if there was an eyeshadow palette, it would be this one, because he kind of hinted at it in the last mystery box and we didn't see an eyeshadow palette. But now there's an eyeshadow palette in this box, and I love this palette, so I already have it, so stay tuned for the giveaway. This is the Mini Breaker eyeshadow palette. It's in the $160 box. I'm so stoked. Oh my god, I cannot wait for one of my subscribers to win it. Oh my god. By the way, if you guys want to go ahead and subscribe now for the giveaway, you have to be subscribed to win my giveaway, just so you guys know. Go ahead and subscribe now. thumbs it up, subscribe. Get ready for my giveaway. Anyways, you guys are still gonna be so freaking shook. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna save the best for last because I don't want to wait. I want to save like the best for last, which I mean, like, obviously the eyeshadow palette's pretty freaking cool because we've never had one in a mystery box before. But another thing that came in there is the there was a lip scrub, and this girl got the cucumber mint lip scrub, which the lip scrubs are really, really nice. I really like them, so yay. And then she also said that there were 3 lipsticks that came in the box. One of them is a what is that? A lip ammunition, that's what it is. And then another one was a liquid lipstick, and I assume that other one is, yeah, the mystery one. Let's see, she got the shade Zombie Kiss, Yummy, Venus Flytrap, and the Venus Flytrap's like the green one, so that's the liquid lipsticks that she got. I'm gonna find the pictures and have them up on the screen if they're not already, the shades that she got. And then, oh my god, you guys are gonna be shook. Because, okay, well, you know what, I'm gonna say this one. There was a Supreme Frost in the box, and this one came with the Jawbreaker collection because it's the green packaging, and she got hers in the shade Caramel Kiss. I don't remember what that one is right now, but it's probably too dark for me, so I'm pretty sure I might put that in a giveaway if it is. But anyways, now the most freaking exciting things ever. Okay, you guys, this is where you're gonna be shook. So the entire mini red pink bundle, you know how he has that bundle of like a bunch of mini lipsticks? I think there's like, what, 8 to 10 in there? I don't really remember. That whole entire red pink lipstick bundle is in there, so you're gonna be getting a crap ton of mini liquid lipsticks. Oh my god, I cannot believe this is in our box. Like, what? I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get it because I'm acting like really dumb right now. I'm so sorry. I'm just like so excited. Yes. But you guys, that's not even the best of it. That's not even the best of it. Okay, so I figured since we picked a size, you know, whatever size we are, and it's gonna suck for the people that thought we were gonna get a t-shirt, and they were like, oh, I'll just have a 2x large because I can sleep in it. Or the people that had to get like the extra small, even though they're like a medium or a large. I'm a large. Luckily, I got my size. But guess what we're getting in our box? You guys are not gonna believe me. The Velour Tracksuits. Yes. The Velour Tracksuits. Yes. The pants and the jacket is coming in the box. The pants and the jacket. Okay, so this girl got, oh, I forgot one more item, but, yeah, the girl got the blue and white one, so it's like a blue and then the white. I'll have an image, okay, so you guys can see what I'm seeing, but she got the blue and white one. She got an entire velour tracksuit. What? That is insanity. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay, so yeah, and then the other thing is she got a lip liner. I forgot about that one. So yeah, I don't know what shade the lip liner was in. Let me see if this person has updated anything to their status, and I'll tell you if she said anything about what lip liner she got. Hold on. Oh, thank you. Oh my god, somebody posted a full picture. Okay, you guys. Oh my god. Oh, new spoiler, this person got the orange and white tracksuit. Okay, so another spoiler is the orange and white tracksuit. This is insane. I'm so excited. The orange and white. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. That is insane. Insane. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I can't even find this chick's post anymore. Let me look her up. What is her name? Okay, no, she didn't post what the lip liner was, but it kind of looks like it might be the shade like Dominatrix or something. I think I have it because the pencil looked like identical to mine. So it's either Dominatrix or Calabasas. That's what it looked like. But those are what's coming in the $160 box. I'm not sure if there's going to be more colors of the tracksuits or whatnot, but like, I'm so excited, you guys. So like I said, I will be unboxing these when I get them. I have all three. I might be even doing an unboxing with my friend, and she also got the $160 box, so that's exciting. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for my giveaway coming up at the end of the week. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this spoiler video. I'm so excited. I hope you guys are too. And yeah, so I am going to you know, leave now, I guess. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, hopefully. Bye.